How to find Tonkeeper wallet address. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Tonkeeper wallet address. To do so, first of all, you'll have to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will reach to this page. Here, if you have multiple wallets, select the wallet you want to view. Once you have selected it, now here on this interface, tap on this Receive button, which is typically located on the main screen within the wallet options. Once you tap on it, your wallet address along with your QR code representing your wallet address will be displayed. At the bottom of the QR code, you will see a long string of characters. This is your wallet address. Now you can copy the address to your clipboard by tapping on this Copy button. Alternatively, you can share the address directly using this Share button right here. By tapping on the Share button, now you can share it via any social media available in this section. This wallet address can be used to receive Ton tokens from other users or platforms. If in case you want to view your Tonkeeper wallet address in both EQ and UQ formats, then here's how you can do it. Return back to the main home page and tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you do so, you will be taken to their settings page. Here scroll down and then there you will find address update option. Tap on it. Within it you will find your address in both EQ and UQ formats. EQ, which means Everscale format, and UQ, which means universal format, are the two ways of representing wallet addresses. So by following these steps, you can easily access and find your Tonkeeper wallet address. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.